Right now, AI-generated videos are exploding across social media. Millions of views. Fast production. No need to show your face on camera. But here's the real question. How do you turn those views into actual income? The answer? Combine ClickBank affiliate marketing with AI video tools. Let's break it down. Step 1. Find a high-converting product. Head over to ClickBank. Choose a niche with demand, like woodworking, fitness, or digital products. Sort by gravity score. Look for anything over 30. Copy your affiliate link. Step 2. Turn that product into content. Use ChatGPT to generate a video script or prompt. Paste that into InVideo AI, one of the fastest tools for making short videos. Select your format: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikToks. Customize it, download it, done. Step 3. Upload and distribute. Post daily or every other day. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest. And don't just drop a raw affiliate link. Instead, use a landing page. Step 4. Collect leads. Use a free tool like kit.com to create a simple opt-in page. Capture emails before sending people to the product. Now you can follow up. Promote again. Build trust. Drive more sales. More traffic. More clicks. More income. This strategy works because it's simple. AI does the heavy lifting. Your content drives attention. Your system converts it into commissions. If you want to build a passive income engine using ClickBank and AI, click the link in the description now and get started today.